Welcome to Turk Aesthetic. Hymenoplasty is a surgical procedure that restores the hymen for personal, cultural, or medical reasons. This procedure is performed based on individual needs and is done under local or general anesthesia. During surgery, the torn hymen is reconstructed using dissolvable stitches, ensuring a natural appearance. After surgery, avoid exercise, saunas, and tanning for 40 days. Sexual activity should also be postponed to ensure proper healing. Follow hygiene guidelines and take prescribed medications as directed. If you're considering hymenoplasty or need more information, feel free to contact us.